In this video, we'll look at the value of notes in compound meters that are other than 6/8. 6/8 is the most common compound meter, but there are many others that are compound. Remember, our first test if a meter is compound is looking at the time signature, the top number being divisible by 3, but not 3. So 9 is also divisible by 3, so that is compound. And the bottom number is telling us which numbers get the beat, and here we have an 8 on the bottom. So 8 does not get the beat, but 3/8 notes get the beat, or 1 dotted quarter. So in this case, we have 1/8 note, and 3 of them gets the beat, so 1/8 note gets a third of the beat. Here we have a dotted half note. This is 2 beats. Now we're in a situation where we're still compound. All of these examples are compound, but we have odd meters, or ones that we're not so familiar with. The test, again, is the top number divisible by 3, and 15 divided by 3 equals 5, so there are actually 5 beats in this measure. It's still compound, but to answer this problem of how many beats does this note get in this meter 15/2, we look at the bottom number, and the bottom number tells us that 3 half notes get the beat. If 3 half notes get the beat, 1 half note gets a third of the beat, and a quarter note is half of that, so that gets 1/6 of the beat. We're back to eighth notes on the bottom. 3/8 notes get the beat. Once we know it's compound, we don't even have to bother with the top number at all in this particular exercise. But we just say, okay, 3/8 notes get the beat, or 1 dotted quarter, it's still 1 beat. Now we have the 4 on the bottom, or the quarter note on the bottom. We have a 12 on top. 12 divided by 3 equals 4, so we're still compound, but now the quarter note is the bottom, so 3 of the quarter notes gets the beat, or a dotted half. And this is double the dotted half, it's a dotted whole note, so this is worth 2 beats. 9/8, again we're back to 8 notes on the bottom, and this is still 2 beats. 6/8, this is a 16th note. 3 of the 8th notes get the beat, so this gets 1/6 of a beat. Okay, now we have a 16 on the bottom. 6/16. So that means 3 of the 16th notes, that's the 16th note, gets the beat. So 1/16 gets 1/3 of the beat. Back to quarter note on the bottom. 3 of the quarter notes gets the beat. That means 1 quarter note gets a third of the beat. An 8th note is half of that, so that's 1/6 of the beat. And here, quarter note is on the bottom. That means 3 of the quarter notes gets the beat, or 1 dotted half note. And this is double that dotted whole note, so that gets 2 beats.